I've got salmonella, so apologies for my lack of enthusiasm, but I wanted to show you an A++ setup from last Thursday, and then I'm gonna go back to sleep. This is the opening range Fibonacci breakout strategy. I traded on gold during the first 2 hours of the Asia session. This is what you're gonna do. First thing, you're gonna head over to the daily, the weekly, and the 30-minute time frame, and you're going to mark out your untested daily, weekly, and session highs and lows. These are gonna be our key levels. You then head down to the 15-minute time frame, and you're gonna mark out the top wick and the bottom wick of the opening 15-minute candle. This is at 10 a.m. AEDT, which is the Sydney and Tokyo stock market open. You're gonna scroll down to the 3-minute time frame. The opening range low was formed first, so I'm gonna grab my fib retracement tool, and I'm gonna do this from low all the way up to high. These are my settings, make sure you take a screenshot. But these are all the confluences that make this an A++ setup. First confluence is that we had a sweep of our key level, and this key level was a New York high, so I'm just looking for shorts. Second key confluence was that we had a 2-minute FVG formed as we broke through this key fib level. Third confluence was that we inversed this FVG and closed below this fib. I'm then going to scroll down onto the 1-minute time frame. Fourth confluence is we've just retested this FVG level. Fifth confluence is that we've just closed back below this fib after this retest. I'm going to go back to the 3-minute time frame. As I'm now looking for shorts, I'm just going to double check that I'm bearish beneath this HMA line, which we were. So this is where I'd enter the trade, put my stop loss above this FVG, and I'll target the closest internal or external swing high or low for anything above 2.2R. This strategy has a 72% win rate. It's pretty good. That is what an A++ setup looks like for my strategy. Oh.